Do you guys know what the #1 stolen auto part in North America is? It's these catalytic converters. I'm sure you've heard about it in the news. Our service department hears about it every single week. These parts can be stolen in a matter of minutes, whether it's at nighttime or during a delivery. These parts can cost thousands and thousands of dollars, and they are currently on back order, so it can take months for the repair to happen, which does lead to a lot of downtime for your business. Now, for a fraction of the cost, you've got this steel cage right here. Basically makes it nearly impossible for the cat to be stolen. We have these in stock right now for any of our new or used Isuzus. If this sounds like something that you would like to have on your new or used truck, come see me. My name is Tim. We'll take care of you here at Dueck Isuzu.